Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we're looking at a Maytag refrigerator. The complaint is that sometimes it does not cool. Now, the first thing that I did was just open it up, see if it was running, and then I gave a thump underneath like that because it was not running, and all of a sudden it turned on. This is a common trait for a bad cold control. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the cold control to the unit. Now to begin, you will have a couple of screws that are underneath that will have to be removed. There is one inside this section as well as one right here under the front. These are both 1/4" screws. You'll see as I'm taking this out, it does start to drop. The back one is actually not in there, but if it is in there, you will have to remove it. Now you do have one wire Molex connector right here. You'll have to press in on the tabs, pull out. Next, we can see our cold control on the unit. The cold control goes from here all the way to the back into this little spindle here. So what we're going to have to do is disattach this cold control, and to do so, we will have to lift up on the tabs and pull out, and then on the bottom there's also a tab that you will have to lift up on. Give it a twist, pull off your knob, twist it the rest of the way, and pull it out of the plastic holding brackets. Now we will remove our wiring connectors as well as our ground strap. Next, on the top here, we have the cold control where it's locked in. Just press up. Might have to roll it a little bit to disattach it. We will feed it underneath the wiring. Unpackaging our new cold control. You'll see it is wrapped up on here. Once again, you will have to kind of unravel it in order to meet the back. So what I recommend doing is first reattach it on the bottom here, slide in on one portion, slide it under the holding bracket, and then do the same on the opposite portion, turn it and lock it in place. Now, one thing you will notice when installing this cold control is it is just a tad bit different. The size width-wise does not fit the best inside these plastic arches here, so you may have to just kind of squeeze it in there. It will expand the plastic. The plastic shouldn't break. Once you get it there, we will just unravel this until we get to the point where we can reattach it. Snap it in so it's reattached. Let that kind of work down. We will reinstall our wiring connectors. Next, we will put it back in place. Make sure we reattach the ground on the top here. Maybe give that a little bend so it's at the side so it can fit properly inside. Reattach it here. We will plug it in, set it where it needs to go, start sliding the screw in, line it up, tighten the screw, reattach our knob, give it a test, turns on just fine, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.